18 years ago, I was a freshman in high school. That tasted bad coming out of my mouth. But no, 18 years ago, I was a freshman in high school. And I met this guy named Dave. And we were friends. And of course, after high school, just like everybody else in the world, we just lost touch. We didn't talk to each other for like 15 years. Which is fine, it happens. But me and Dave, we just reconnected. I commented on this Onewheels Facebook group and he popped up. He was like, wow, long time no see, what's going on? So we've been hanging out lately. And I must say, Dave is a very interesting person. He likes Onewheels. And get this, he's a videographer. And he's like a really good one. How cool is that? So I'm on my way downtown now. We're gonna ride around the city on Onewheels like adults. Did I mention he mountain bikes? I've never been mountain biking, but I would. Hint, hint, David. Invite me mountain biking, you son of a... That's him. That's Dave. Hey, Dave. See, I told you he existed. So we're gonna start off floating by the Chattahoochie River, and I think after that we're gonna head towards the Battery, which is where like the Braves play and stuff like that. We could not have asked for better weather today. It is beautiful. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's sunny, the wind's just right. Life is good, man. So we were just getting some awesome drone shots from the Chattahoochie here. And then we made a new friend.
Hi.
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Jane McCrae. I live here in Atlanta. I am a lifelong resident of Georgia. And
yeah, so
very
we were
cool
just,
to meet you.
she was just walking by and said hi, and I'm glad you did. Thanks for saying hi.
Can't wait to follow this channel.
Awesome. Keep stopping at these cool like overpass bridges type stuff with the Chattahoochie going under it. Check this out. I mean, is there a better view? All right, we're just gonna continue down this awesome trail right by the river. And we're gonna head towards the Battery now, which is where Truist Park is. They got a bunch of restaurants and shops. This is the newer Braves Stadium. And there it is, we made it to Truist Park. You know, I am 100% convinced that Onewheels are the absolute best way to explore a city. There's just no better way, man. You can get up close and personal, you find new spots, find spots people don't really go to. It's just 100% better than like driving or something like that. So I'll see if I can throw what just happened in the video. I was talking to the camera and I nosedived, I almost just ate it. As soon as I was saying how awesome Onewheels are, they are kind of dangerous as well. All right, we've been riding for a couple hours now, and David decided that it's time for a coffee break. What a smart guy. Weird. So obviously I've been to this coffee spot before because I'm wearing the shirt. But check this out, man. It is so cool. So you're drinking your coffee, you look up, oh, there's the Chattahoochie. And what a beautiful day, man. And it's a great spot to charge the Onewheels. All right, so I'm probably gonna end the talking part of the video. We had some good times, we had some good coffee, got some great shots. I'm gonna show you that here in a second. I just wanna say Dave has a baby on the way, and I'm super stoked about that. Good luck, buddy. You're gonna do great. You're gonna be a great dad. Congratulations. Now I'm gonna end the video just showing a bunch of the shots that we got today. I hope you enjoy it, but don't you forget, I know Kung Fu.